what tools are there on Twitter that one can use in order to monitor the industry? And a hint, lists, right? And if there's anything else, so talk about those. But remember, a lot of people, including self, are, novice basically in terms of using these tools in comparison to you. So what are those, what devices or tools can we use on Twitter?
Right. Well, you can build lists. You can build a list of certain people that you want to follow who are engaged in perhaps tweeting out information, tips, gossip, discussion of a particular topic, such as real estate in investing. A lot of people are also interested in real-time financial information, so you don't need to subscribe to the Bloomberg terminal necessarily. You can follow a lot of news accounts. You can follow Bloomberg on Twitter. You can follow Reuters. There are a lot of financial commentators out there giving real-time analysis. And so you can build these individual lists and follow a particular list at a particular time, or you can just have in your timeline all of your followers. Obviously, I'm focused on sort of real-time news, but there are other types of people that I follow as well. And Twitter can even provide Adam some comic relief from time to time. There are some very funny people on Twitter. I'm not one of them, who can give you a good laugh to break up what can be a very dark day sometime.